Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I film a tutorial for this Skill Waterfall card metal die. First, I will use this square tag die to cut out the tags. I used pink paper card to cut 5 pieces. And green color 5 pieces too. This small square is for tag decoration layer. It's needed to cut 16 pieces. I used white paper, but sometimes we use designed paper for decoration layer. Next, these circle parts we only need to cut 1 piece. And this bar also need 1 piece. Okay, all the parts prepared. Let's move on to stick decor layers onto the tags. Well, I finished all 16 pieces. Then we work on this circle part. Fold the paper according the dots lines. These fold lines will be waterfall function, so we make sure they're flexible. We can see we fold the lines by the same direction. Let's speed up the video and fold all the lines. Well, I finished now. They are by the same direction. Let's go on, stick tape on each of these small faces. Pay attention here, we stick tape just against the dot line. Okay, now I finished all the tapes. The next step is to combine the tags onto this circle. We can use some glue to stick them together well and a long time. When we bind them, to make sure the tag edge against onto the dot line. Like shown in my video, these lines on same level, and these two edges also on same level. The next one I stick green color. When we stick these tags, always be careful and pay attention to the lines. Next one is pink. and the green one. Okay, all the tags are on the circle. It looks very nice. I love the colors. This is the back side of the circle. This last chip was left. This one will be folded and sticked onto card base. Just like in this way, the tags can be flipped. Okay, now we prepare the card base. I use gray base paper and this lovely paper pad. The paper pad for decoration layer. Some people ask the card base size. Now let's look. It's 20.5 by 20.5 cm. So for this waterfall card, the base no less than 20.5 cm is a square base. And for the green base, I hope to make an open card, so the size for heart page is 21 cm. And the height is also 21 cm. Okay, now I will glue the decoration layer onto the green base. Then try the circle parts onto the base and see. Normally we put the circle close to the upper and make margin on the bottom, because sometimes we can add sentiments or some decoration on bottom. Okay, now we will use the last metal die in this set, the circle chip. This circle chip is only to make a hole here. Let's make a mark. And make them to go through the cutting machine. If your machine is too small to go through this card base, we can use other way to get a hole here, such as a pin. Now I make a hole here. I will hold the circle onto the base. Stick tip here. Use some glue fold it and stick onto this marketplace. Let's see the back side. Okay, take out this bar and fold it. Stick the two faces together. Again, we will use this circle chip to get a hole on the bar. Now let's combine the bar. I use two legs pin and this pink flower for decoration. And combine them together. Go through the hole and then make the legs flat. Seems very nice. This bar is for rotating section. Now we need to stick the bar onto the first tag. Let's make a mark. Good. And stick them together. Okay, now my waterfall card almost complete. Let's try it. It seems work well. It's so interesting. All the tags can show photos, but I have not so many photos, so I use cartoon love couples labels. Let's try and stick them onto the tags. They're very lovely. Okay, I finished all these tags with lovely labels. Let's try. The last tag is a wedding. It's very sweet. I love it. If they are the real photos of our friends or families, it will be much sweeter, I think. Okay, I finished all the decoration for this album part. The same lovely paper pad for other pages. This sentimental tag, "You make my heart smile," is very nice for this card, so I use it on the front page. Now I finished this card. Let's enjoy it. Here I replace the pink flower with sunflower. I think sunflower is much cute. And on this page I used the floral letters "You and me." Okay, let's try and rotate. I think this card is so sweet and lovely. Very fun to play a waterfall card. Okay, it's today's tutorial. I hope you love my card. If for any question, please let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.